All right, activism. What are you really active in? I've been seeing you around a lot on social media, mainstream media. You've been doing some work. Talk to me about that, though.
Yes, so I'm a part of this program slash initiative called C Will and Y Will. So C Will is a non-partisan and independent organization, meaning we're not affiliated with any political party.
Okay.
So we're committed to advancing women's transformational leadership, and we just want to see more women in the leadership, space where they take part in decision making and the political and civic
Like
life.
just throw away my next question is,
Lot of
I was going to
mercy.
ask you when you're going to enter representational politics, because, I'm ready to vote, so.
I guess I'm not sure, I can't say when, but what I'm really passionate about now is community development.
Okay.
So I am working on that aspect of things. So if that comes,
Then it comes.
It comes.
What
But I'm
got you
not
started?
saying,
What made you get started on this road in the first place?
okay, I would say it's just that I came from humble beginnings and I've always been self-driven, and the fact that a lot of people have made like really great impacts in my
Right.
life and to my advancement. So I just want to give back. It's just in my heart to
sweet.
give back and not have people go through the same things that I went through. So if I can help
Yeah.
in any small way, that's what I want to do.
You said driven. What is
Driven.
the cause of this drive? Where did
I
it
don't
come
know, I
from?
just-
Mommy, daddy, you just get up one day and say, hey, I am going to do this and I want to achieve this. Where?
I guess it was just instilled in me from a younger age.
Right.
And I know what poverty is like.
Oh, you do?
Of course,
You don't
I
look
know.
it.
Trust me, I know what poverty is like. I don't want to live in poverty.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
they
yeah.
always say education is a means by which you can, go upward,
Right.
and that's the route that I chose.